Hey there folks! Julie here, coming back to wish you all a fantastic 2024 and teach you a yummy recipe for peach vegan Greek yogurt. I bet you went all out during the holiday season, am I right? Well, it's time to get back on track and bring that balance back into your life for more health and energy. This is a super healthy and flavorful option that you can enjoy for breakfast, as a snack, or even as dessert. So, let's take a look at what you're gonna need. To kick things off, in a blender, toss in the coconut milk, coconut sugar, and vanilla extract. Blend it up until you've got a smooth mixture. Now, add in those chopped peaches and squeeze in that lemon juice. Blend it all up again until the peaches are fully mixed in and the whole thing is nice and smooth. Give it a taste and adjust the sugar or lemon juice if needed to hit that sweet and tangy balance you're after. Pour that mixture into a glass or ceramic container, cover it up with a lid or some plastic wrap, and let it chill at room temperature for 4 to 8 hours. This'll let that vegan Greek yogurt ferment and thicken up. After the fermentation time, pop that vegan Greek yogurt into the fridge for at least 2 hours to cool down and firm up even more. Serve up your vegan Greek yogurt with extra peach pieces and some mint leaves for garnish if you're feeling fancy. I hope you all enjoy this healthy and delicious recipe. And now that you've made it this far, do us a solid and hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more vegan recipes and nutrition tips. Have a fantastic 2024, and catch you in the next one.